Good morning everyone. In previous class we discussed about the first class brickwork in foundation part. So in this class we discussed about the room, long wall, short wall and veranda pillars. Then in this class we discussed about the drop wall front and drop wall side. So we know the veranda section, in case of veranda, the wall used, it is known as the drop wall. It is drop wall. In case of front veranda front wall, it is called as drop wall front. In case of veranda side wall, it is called as drop wall side. So in case of veranda, we know one number of front wall is available and two numbers of side wall is available. So first of all, we need to check the veranda cross section. Here the veranda cross section. Here two numbers of side wall available and one numbers of front wall available. So in case of front wall, here three numbers of pillar is available there. But we know the front wall we consider from the center of this pillar to the center of this pillar. So here the half of the pillar we consider and here also half of the pillar we consider. So the total number of pillar between the veranda center to center distance or drop wall front center to center distance, it is two numbers. Here half number and here half numbers, total is one number, and also here also one number is available. Total two numbers of pillar we consider in case of veranda front wall. So here we need to deduct here because the pillar already we calculate in case of brickwork, right? In case of veranda, pillar we calculate. So in case of drop wall, we need to, in case of drop wall front, we need to deduct the pillar value, right? So we need to check what is the position of the pillar in case of drop wall position, right? So in case of drop wall construction, the drop wall constructed here, it is constructed below 25 centimeter of the air surface. But here the 10 centimeter of the air surface, 25 centimeter of the air surface, it is cement concrete is constructed. Cement concrete we already calculate. So the brickwork is available below ground level 15 centimeter thick. So below ground level the brickwork is available here, which is 15 centimeter height. So the veranda position or veranda brickwork is available the ground level to below 15 centimeter. So we need to check what is the position of the pillar in case of ground level, or what is the position of the pillar below 15 centimeter below ground level. So here the position of the pillar is 15 centimeter below, 15 centimeter between the 25 centimeter wall, which is the breadth is here also 40 centimeter. So the breadth is we consider to deduct is 40 centimeter, right? So here the veranda length we can define by subtract the value of center to center distance of veranda or the center to center distance of veranda drop wall front minus 2 into 0.4. 2 for what? 2 is the number of pillar and into 0.4 for what? 0.4, it is the value of 15 centimeter below ground level. What is the below 15 centimeter? The position of the pillar, which is 40 centimeter. Okay, so we need to deduct the total center to center distance minus 2 into 0.4, which is 3.70 meter. Okay, so the drop wall front, which is considered as 1, length is 3.70. Breadth is how much? First we need to check what is the breadth. So how can we check the breadth? We need to check the cross section of the veranda. So here the breadth is given how much? 20 centimeter, and the height of the construction, height of the foundation of the ground below plinth level. Okay, so the 20 centimeter wall is proceed from this point to the height. Okay, so which is 45 plus 15, which is 60. Okay, so the height of the drop wall front, which is 60. Okay, so or 60 centimeter, which is 0.60 meter, and breadth is 0.20 meter. Okay, so then after that we are going to the drop wall side. we know the ruffle side is 2 numbers. So breadth is equal to the ruffle front breadth, which is 0.20. Height is equal to the ruffle front height, which is 0.60. And length is, how can we calculate the length? We know here the length is subtracted from center to center distance minus 0.40. How can we define the value 0.40 is subtracted? So we need to check here what is the ruffle side value and what is the ruffle position. So we know the position of the ruffle brickwork construction, it is below 15 centimeter. You know, below 15 centimeter, the position of the pillar we check, which is 40 centimeter, and the below 15 centimeter, what is the position of main room brickwork? It is, you need to check. So here the ground level below 15 centimeter, the position of brickwork is how much? Some 40 centimeter. So we need to check. So the total, we know the total center to center distance from this point to this point we define, right? So the total center to center distance minus total center to center distance minus 0.4, which is 1.90. So numbers 2, length is 1.90. Okay. So we need to define the value of first class brickwork. So in case of long wall, the first footing quantity is how much? 2 into 5.10 into 0.60 into 0.10, which is 0.61. Then second footing 2 into 5.00 into 0.50 into 0.10, it is equal to 0.50. And plinth wall above footing 2 into 4.90 into 0.40 into 0.60, it is equal to 2.35. Then short wall, same. First footing 2 into 2.70 into 0.60 into 0.10, it is equal to 0.32. Then second footing 2 into 2.80 into 0.50 into 0.10, it is equal to 0.28. Then plinth 2 into 2.90 into 0.40 into 0.60, it is equal to 1.39. Then pillar footing 3 into 0.50 into 0.50 into 0.10, it is equal to 0.075. Then pillar plinth 3 into 0.40 into 0.40 into 0.70, it is equal to 0.336. Then ruffle front 1 into 3.70 into 0.20 into 0.60, it is equal to 0.44. Then ruffle side 2 into 1.90 into 0.20 into 0.60, it is equal to 0.46. The total value of brickwork, it is equal to 6.76 meter cube. Okay, so then we are going to the second part. It is step. Okay, so in case of step, some brickwork is constructed. So we need to check what is the value of step. So here the step is constructed between the ground level and plinth level. So first we have to check here the 2 step is provided, first step and second step. So in order to check what is the length of the step, what is the breadth of the step. Here the length of the step, first step is given 2.0 meter and breadth of the first step is given 1.4, length of the first step is given, second step is given 1.40 meter. So first step length is 2.00 and second step length is 1.40. Then after that the breadth of the first step is how much? The breadth of the first step is 30, the right distance is for one step is 30, for 2 is 30 plus 30, 60. So breadth is 60 for first step. Second step is how much? Second step is same for second step. One rise is considered. So second step rise is 30 centimeter. And what is the height of the construction? So we need to check here. We know the riser height, the vertical distance we consider as riser. The riser distance is given how much? 30 centimeter. So we need to check what is the, so first step, one number, the length is 2.00 given, right? The breadth is 0.60 because in case of first step, we consider it is as 2 tread. The tread distance is 30 centimeter or 0.3 meter, which is, so for 2 step, it is total, it is, value is 0.6, okay. So breadth is 0.660 meter. Then after that, we going through the height of the first step. So you know the first step we consider below the ground level, right? Here the below the ground level some part is there. The total height is how much? 10 centimeter, but LC is provided only 6 centimeter. So the remaining part of the brickwork is how much? Z minus 6, it is equal to 4. Okay, we know the riser distance is how much? 15. So 15 plus 4 is equal to 19. So we need to the height is for first footing, it is equal to 19. So here we can write the height is 19. But the second footing, the step is one number, length is clearly indicated 1.40 and breadth is 30 centimeter because only the one riser, one tread we consider. So the second footing height is how much? Riser height is 15 centimeter. Okay, so riser is 0.15 meter. Then we need to calculate the quantity. Okay, so before the room and veranda, we define the value is 6.76. The step value is how much? The for first step 1 into 2.0 into 0.60 into 0.19 is equal to 0.23. For second step 1 into 1.40 into 0.30 into 0.15 it is equal to 0.06. The total value is 7.05 cubic. Okay, so student, today time is over. The remaining part of which is DPC we discuss in next class. Thank you.